Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. You see the XRP chart on the 4-hour chart and the price action that started on January down here. So the current view is that XRP is in a corrective pattern to the upside here. Well, that topped actually in March, and that we're now moving down here in a 5-wave move, but it's an overall corrective structure, and the next larger swing low should ideally end the bear market, and ideally price would go below the June 22 low. The reason is that this overall structure here just consists completely only out of corrections. There's no solid impulse here anywhere. So from my point of view, I have to expect further declining prices. And we're looking here at a structure which we call WXY. That's a complex correction. And the idea is that it topped in March 23 in a B wave. So currently the idea is we went down lower in 5 waves, retraced in 3. So we have a 1-2 setup, and the next breakdown would be a 3rd wave, should be quite bearish. 2 things to talk about that. First of all, first thing to say is we're holding the trend line at the moment. That needs to break to have a confirmation. The relevant level is 45 cents. If that breaks, I think we can head down lower. Ideally in a 3rd wave, not in a straight line, but in a 3rd wave it should be quite fast. We have structural support at around 41 cents and then at 35. And the other thing to highlight here is that I would expect this wave count to change and to morph, because it's not the most reliable Elliott wave count. However, we can use the method to understand when do wave counts lose their likelihood and what are the relevant pivot points. And here, this path to the downside is possibly not going to work out as shown if price breaks above 54 cents. Then something more bullish could be playing out, and we have the possibility, and probably we will have to do that, to move up the B wave. Zooming out, that means that the entire move of the January low was a B wave, a larger corrective B wave, and after that we could look at a C wave to the downside. Yeah, we wouldn't, this could still lead to significant increases. However, it would all be corrective, so most likely not a sustainable rally from what we can see now. So let's zoom in. And what we can see here on the smaller time frame is that price is probably, or still has a chance at least, to pull back in this wave 2. So wave 1 to the downside complete, the low on the 16th of June. And then we can see that since then, only corrective structures, a wave W to the upside, an X wave to the downside, which bottomed here on the 30th of June. And now we have a chance to rally in a Y wave, WXY. Yeah, and this Y wave could hit the resistance area between 50.7 cents and 54 cents. Within the Y wave, we have an ABC structure. A wave to the upside, B wave down, C wave up. Within the yellow B wave, the B wave could be complete. We have another WXY structure. No guarantee we would get that rally, but it's not really anything, first of all, that I think is really tradable. We've pulled back to the trend line, absolutely. So a pullback to a trend line can always be traded, but just be aware that from an Elliott wave point of view, we are basically in a downtrend, and you would trade against the higher level trend. And if we break below 45 cents, it's probably going to go down directly. So this is what I'm watching for. This move down looks corrective at the moment. So it would call for a, let's say, impulsive response to the upside. But looking at the context, this is likely just a wave 2 pullback. And again, the relevant resistance here is 54 cents. And a break above the 54 cent level would unlock, higher prices, but most likely only in an extended correction. From that point of view, not really much change. I think a first confirmation that we are going up in this C wave would be a break above the last swing high at 48.3 cents. And further confirmation will be obtained above the A wave high at 49.6 cents. Yeah, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.